Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to make my protein smoothie and or parfait bowl. Alright, first we're going to use our Greek non-fat yogurt that's got 17 grams of protein per cup. Alright, next we're going to use our whey protein isolate by Bodytech. I just do about 8 grams since there's enough protein already in the yogurt. Next I'm going to use some all-natural raw honey, about 7 grams of this. Make it delicious, extra carbs if you need it. Next I'm going to sprinkle on some cinnamon for extra taste and extra benefits. Next, I'm going to put some bananas or bananas. Next, I'm going to put some mixed berries. We got raspberries, blackberries, and blueberries. Next, I'm going to do dark cherries. Right, now I'm gonna use some frozen Fuji apple. Next, we're going to add 21 grams of crunchy peanut butter. So now we are mixing it up. We get to gaze upon the beautiful protein parfait bowl. Now we're gonna try it. Yeah, baby. Also, the reason why I prep it in a meal prep container is so that if I don't need it right now, I can throw it in the fridge and have it for later. Guys, make sure you subscribe, you like, you follow, you share this, and if you want more recipes, well, just do that. And hey, don't forget, the recipe book is coming out very soon.